Have you ever stopped to think about how many moving parts stand between an idea to buy something for the office and the moment your team actually gets it? Purchases may look simple on the surface, but behind every keyboard, box of printer paper, or subscription renewal is a process that can either keep your business humming or grind it to a halt. Today we are diving into how to keep that process on track. I'm Raid with Jotform, and in this video we will explore purchase requisitions, what they are, why they matter, and how to automate them so your spending stays organized. By the end, you'll know the essential fields to include the common benefits and the exact workflow steps to streamline approvals. Let's jump right in. An efficient purchasing process is the backbone of day-to-day operations because companies depend on everything from new employee laptops to those little sticky notes that somehow vanish overnight. To make sure supplies show up when you need them, you have to lay out a clear internal roadmap that explains how someone asks for an item and how leadership gives that request a thumbs up. The purchase requisition is the star of that show, and understanding its purpose, its perks, and how to use it will keep your business organized. There are many items you need to list on a purchase requisition. You need the date of the request so the timeline is clear. You need the requester's name so there is someone to follow up with. Vendor information is next, including name, address, and handy contact info such as a phone number or email. Add a straightforward description of the goods or services, list the quantity for each, include the price per unit, and finish with the total. Starting with these basics means you can capture everything accounting will need later. If filling out a paper purchase requisition sounds tedious, you can grab a ready-to-use purchase requisition template in Jotform and tweak it with our drag and drop form builder. A couple of clicks, a splash of company branding, maybe a custom field or two, and you are good to go. Now, let's dig into why filling out that form pays off. First, requisitions ensure you keep detailed records because they precede the purchase orders sent to vendors. They help you track exactly what supplies you buy, how often you reorder, and how much each purchase costs. With that visibility, you always know where money is going, you hold employees accountable, and you can rein in overspending before it ruins your budget projections. Second, they create better communication. Each requisition notes who requested what, so department heads can quickly chat with the right person if they have a question. A consistent approval path highlights bottlenecks and shows you where to tighten the process. The more disciplined you are about routing these forms, the faster requests travel and the clearer everyone's role becomes. That transparency builds trust and strengthens company culture because no one is left guessing who handles which purchase. Third, requisitions guard against fraudulent or unauthorized spending. A solid paper trail, or in this case, a digital trail, makes it easy to audit orders and flag anything suspicious. When multiple approvers need to sign off, it is much harder for rogue purchases to slip through. Clear rules around who can approve which dollar amounts add another layer of security, curbing unnecessary costs and protecting your bottom line. Fourth, a well-run requisition system improves supply management. Without it, two different team members might place separate orders for the same component and blow the production budget. Requisitions consolidate requests and reveal overlaps before they become expensive mistakes, saving both cash and headaches. Even with all those advantages, a manual requisition process can trip you up. Entering data by hand invites typos or missing fields that ripple into inaccurate budgets or wrong quantities. If your team can't easily share forms with approvers, visibility drops and approvals stall. And if the workflow itself is clunky or overloaded with handoffs, requisitions gather dust in someone's inbox, costing time and money. That is where automation steps in. By automating requisitions, you sidestep most manual pitfalls while keeping human oversight where it counts. A workflow automation platform such as Jotform Workflows stitches together the entire journey: form submission, notifications, approvals, and even payment requests, all without relying on spreadsheets or endless email chains. Automation works best when built on a flexible toolset, and Jotform brings plenty to the table. Our no-code drag-and-drop builder lets you lay out each step visually. You can add conditional logic. There are also integrations with third-party apps to push data where you need it. Real-time tracking shows exactly where a request sits in the queue, and workflow templates give you a head start if you do not want to build from scratch. Let's walk through a standard purchase requisition workflow so you can picture it in action. Step 1. An employee submits a requisition form, filling in all the required details. Using a template guarantees consistency every time. Step 2. The form lands with the designated approver, maybe a department head or someone in accounts payable who reviews the request. Step 3. Once approved, the requisition transforms into a purchase order and heads to the chosen vendor. Step 4. When physical goods arrive, a team member inspects them to confirm the order is correct and undamaged. Step 5. The employee submits an invoice confirming receipt, the invoice is reviewed, and final payments are made. Depending on your business, you might add extra layers such as inventory checks for recurring orders or additional sign-offs for high-value purchases. The beauty of an automated workflow is that you can bake these exceptions right into the logic so the system routes each request correctly without a single sticky note reminder. Keeping track of all these moving parts is simple with Jotform. You can tweak a purchase request workflow template or craft one from scratch using the drag and drop interface. Assign tasks to the right people, trigger automatic email or in-app notifications when something needs attention, and even embed payment processing directly into the flow so you can wrap up the entire requisition to payment cycle in one place. By ditching paper and gathering everything under one digital roof, you create clear communication channels and ensure that purchase requests and orders move smoothly from start to finish. Adopting this structured automated approach means fewer mistakes, faster turnarounds, and better control over company resources. Plus, when auditors come calling, you have a transparent trail that shows who requested what, who approved it, and when each stage occurred. Thank you for watching today. I'm Raid with Jotform, and I hope this look at purchase requisitions helps you improve your own purchasing process. Remember to click subscribe so you never miss a new workflow tip. Until next time.